Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Been tracking this one and doing analysis on this one, every single day. So that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines. They've served their purpose for now. And then also from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that occurred today, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but I've talked about that 275 mark over and over again as an area of resistance. But now that the price has gotten above it, there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closes above, you want to see them act as support. And that was very, very important this afternoon because when the price did start to roll back over, in my mind, it was a matter of, is this thing going to actually break back down below 275? Because that wouldn't be a very good situation for, as far as the overall health of the chart is concerned. And you can see right down there, how low did it actually go out of curiosity? Went as low as 275.47, so it got relatively close. And then you can see got a green candle and then managed to stay up above it. So good to see 275 did indeed hold as support. And that is going to continue to be a level that a lot of people are going to be watching, going into next week. Remember, the markets are closed tomorrow on Friday for Good Friday. So next week, that's going to be an area that, longs and shorts and everybody in between going to be watching that level wondering, can this area hold? So the shorts are going to be very curious, if it does pull back here and break through it, can it create some more downside, pressure, which is a more than valid, a more than rational thought to have. So more of the story there, whole lot of people are going to be watching 275. And then and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Wednesday, but I talked about this red line here as resistance. And I'm not patting myself on the back here, but definitely patting charts on the back here. Surprise, surprise, the price got right up around that red line and then could never quite push through. So I'm not saying the price can never break above it, but pretty amazing to see, you throw a line up there and then the price gets very close to it and then ultimately acts the way you would expect it to. So more of the story, 282 going to be that breakout point next week that a lot of people, like I said, especially the breakout players and the longs are going to be watching very closely. So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, quite the eventful week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.